Hello, children. Today we'll be talking about the feeding and eating disorders. This group of disorders is generally witnessed in, like really young age group people. And we have three categories under this. We have the anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating. In anorexia nervosa, people are not happy with their body type. They feel extremely ashamed, embarrassed of themselves. They generally see themselves as overweight, and there's too much guilt that they're going through. So what they end up doing is they there is a very strict refusal to eat food, and there's intense exercising, which is always, you're trying to push yourself beyond limitations. You're trying to really compel yourself to exercise excessively. And also, like, they refuse to eat food in front of other people, and they can come up with, some weird excuses, reasons, and they may not eat food properly in front of them. And they also lose large amounts of weight, and they can really literally starve themselves to death, because that's how they look at themselves as, they are not happy with themselves. So they tend to get into these very unusual habits, and they are on intense dieting, like literally starving, sometimes even wasting food, like slyly, so that nobody sees them. So they give an impression that yes, we are eating enough, but at the back of their mind there's something else cooking up, and they really want to shed a lot of weight, and they actually end up shedding too much. So in bulimia nervosa, of course, people eat a lot of food, and then later they purge their body by using medicines or by using laxatives, and they actually end up vomiting food when they consume these medicines. And they can probably vomit by other means too, because there's too much guilt when they eat a lot of food. They feel ashamed of themselves, they feel absolutely disgusted. And to be able to relieve themselves of that tension, the negative emotions, they ultimately vomit, they purge their bodies. And in binge eating, there's absolutely an out of control eating. So people eat a lot of food, and at a very higher speed than normal, and they can continue filling up their body, till the time they don't feel uncomfortably full. And even when they're not feeling that hungry, they tend to eat a lot of food. So that is what happens in binge eating. So these were the three kinds of feeding and eating disorders. Thank you so much, children.